Good day, everyone. It's King B News Reviews. Out here checking out nature. And check this out. So you got ducks in the water. Of course, you're gonna have your pigeons. There's some geese sitting over here. But what in the world? You see this bird right here? What kind of, I don't know what kind of bird this is. Look at that bird. And that's the only bird that looks like that here. I'm not sure if that's some type of goose or what. But an interesting looking bird sitting there. It don't look like the rest of them. Right? Yeah. Just thought I'd share that interesting looking bird. I'm not sure. I don't want to get too close, but interesting looking bird sitting over there. But it's a nice day. Of course, they're spraying, right? Trying to make the clouds. But anyway, just a quick video to say just give a shout out to each and every one of you out there. Have a safe and wonderful day. Watch yourselves out there, right? Love yourself unconditionally. Keep your loved ones close. Sit down and have real conversations with your loved ones, with your family, right? Especially your children, okay? Let them know what's going on. Be real with them. And be safe out there. Just a little quick video. Salute to each and every one of you. It's King B out.